Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your captures on the PlayStation app when you have it connected to your PlayStation 5. So go ahead and get the PlayStation app right here and then open this up. And I'm going to back out of this screen right here because I have a video clip open. And then when I'm on the home screen, I'll be selected under the little PlayStation Store icon right here. I want to go to the right and go to this icon and then select this right here. And your application may be a little bit slow or laggy. For me, it definitely is. And then once we have this selected, we have the option for captures up here. Just go ahead and select this, and you should be able to see all your captures. And from here, you can watch them and you can select them, and then you should have the option to download them in the bottom right side of the corner once you go ahead and just replay them. So I'll go ahead and try to select one of these, and then you can see the download option right here. Then you can go ahead and select the share option. So I'm going to go ahead and mute myself here so I don't speak too loud on the TV. And then if I press the share option, I can share this back over to like a party chat on the PlayStation. Otherwise, I just download it and then I share it back over to Discord. Now, if you don't see any video clips on here, let's go back over to my PlayStation. So let's go ahead and prop this switch over. And we want to make sure auto upload is turned on. So let's go to settings. Scroll on down, go to captures and broadcasts. And then we can see captures. Go to auto upload and make sure this is checkmarked. Automatically upload your manually created screenshots and video clips to the PlayStation app when your PS5 is connected to the internet. They'll be available for 14 days after you create. So you have to have this checkmarked. Then you can always check to see the upload progress. You can go to download/uploads right here. And you can see that I have some saved data that's not uploading right here. It can't upload, but your video clips and your screenshots, when they're uploading, they should appear under this section right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.